And we're back. Okay, time to move on to day 3. I love the little kittens embossed on each page or each envelope. They're so cute. Day 3. Let's see what we get in day 3. Ugh. If I can get it out. There we go. Cream Sherry Art, this is called. More strawberry. Lots of strawberry. Oh my goodness. We have to do a basket, I think. This would be perfect for springtime. We are not quite at springtime. Not quite. We can start dreaming about springtime. I usually do that in January. I start dreaming, when is this going to be spring? Now, what should go with that? Some cake? Or a smorgasbord of strawberry jam. I have to do this. I might have to. I may go hog wild here and do a little one. Maybe we'll put this one on the bottom somewhere. There we go. All right, day 3 accomplished. Hope everyone's doing well. See you tomorrow for day 4.